5 fruits good for cats. Strawberries, which contain plenty of water and can be given to cats that don't like drinking water. It also provides antioxidants that can help with inflammation. Watermelon, which is a good source of water, glucose, and vitamin C. You can also share some watermelon with your cat if it isn't drinking enough water. Blueberries, which are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that are good for your cat's eyes. Dragon fruit, which is high in dietary fiber and can help cats with digestion problems and poor bowel movements. Cucumbers provide vitamin K. It is essential for blood clotting, which is important for wound healing and preventing excessive bleeding. However, only certain cats are not afraid of cucumbers.